I think this is the one actually. I could be wrong. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. Alright, so I'm gonna rank it like this. I don't need this many rows. Alright, let's see. Elite. Almost. Let me say great. Cultist, the mid tier. Say above average. I'm gonna say, what's I call this one? I'm gonna say almost basura. I mean, I say almost whack, and then call this basura. The trash tier. Alright, just to get this out the way. Where's that nigga? I mean, come on, bro. Come on. Despite what he did, you gotta get this nigga his props. For real, though. He looks familiar, but I don't know his name. Frank Ocean? I'm gonna say great. T-Pain? Elite. Alright, is that, oh, it's part next door. I'm gonna say great, too. Bryson Tiller? I'm gonna say same category as, Frank Ocean. Not really sure. Usher? Easily. Next R. Kelly, bro. Easily. I think that's in Vogue, but I could be wrong. I think that is in Vogue, but I'm gonna check just to see if I'm I think I said in Vogue. Probably was thinking of something else, but it is what it is. I'll go back to that later, but is that Shelly or Duran? Trey Songs. I put him elite. Drake. I mean, in the context of R&B, bro, he's not the good. He's not the greatest R&B singer type shit. Chris Brown. Edwin Fayez. I put him like here for now. Ty Dolla Sign. I'll put him here just because he's one of those artists where you have to listen to his features, but not his actual songs. That's why they make him great. Tory Lanez. Hey, he married Sean Megan, but that nigga was still a good singer. But it never reached his potential like that, so I'm gonna say great. Like just below I'm putting just below Frank Ocean. Justin Timberlake. I'm going to get hate for this one, but I'm gonna say I'm gonna say I'm gonna say it's more of a pop singer actually. So I'm gonna say Elite actually. You know, he could easily been like go tier. So I'm gonna put him here. All right, Black, aka Sick Lack. Put that nigga, put that nigga, put him here. Actually, not. I'm dragging it. I put that nigga here. Actually, not. Fuck that. Put him above average. All right, Jeremiah. Put him here. What was that, Jax? Yeah, it is. Same realm as Jeremiah to me. Don't know what this is. Mary J. Blige. Go. Actually, no. Let me just get this shit out of the way. Beyonce. Rihanna. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna do. They're more pop singers, so I'm gonna put them just below Mary then. And I swear to God, it was just this was not intentional. Alicia Keys. There you go. I put Brandy elite tier, like next to Trey. Actually, I'm gonna do this shit. I'll put Aaliyah like the go tier. Put him next to Chris Brown. That's because she didn't reach her full potential, but she still had her step in the industry. Like TLC, the goats, but I think I'm gonna put them. I'll put them here actually. I think that's fair. That's Miguel. I saw her between a grade or above average. Yeah, I'll take Miguel's. Yeah, I'll put him here actually. I'm sure I do. I put Jax and fucking Jeremiah over here. All right, Neil, easily elite, easily. He could easily be a gold tier too, but I feel like it's not as an issue as the other niggas, so I'm gonna put them elite. All right, Janae Eichel, put her great. I feel like a lot of modern R&B artists are not the greatest compared to like the older ones and shit. Tony Braxton, easily gold. Put her above Aaliyah. The Weekend, put him above Drake. Lauryn Hill, at least. Yeah, I would put her gold too, but like she's more of a rapper too, and a neo soul artist than an actual R&B artist. All right, Genuine, Elite. All right, SZA, Elite, especially after that album. Real talk. Hey, what's up, chat? Let me know who's in the chat right now, bro. For real though. Lloyd, I'm say great. Her, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna say mid because she could easily be elite, but like I mean, I'm not even a fan of her music like that. It's kind of boring to me a little, in my opinion. But I respect her accomplishments though, for real though. Ari Lennox, it's kind of the same realm. Kehlani, I forgot her name, but what's her name again? Something with an E. Oh, LMI or LMA, whatever. Above average. SWV. I'm gonna say above average for this one too. That's Summer Walker. Yep. I get same realm as Janae. Tiana Taylor, grade 2. I 112. Elite tier 2. Put him. I should put them here. I think that's a great choice for them. Boys to men, cons, same thing. Actually, now I'll put boys to men like close to genuine. Like 112 got fucked up by Diddy division. Justin Bieber, he's more of a pop artist, but I'm gonna say he's like put him next to Justin Timberlake. Yeah, I feel like I know these niggas are, but like I keep forgetting their name. Hold up, bro. This shit getting me tight. It is Joycey. What the fuck? No one was bugging. That's that's Khalid above average. Tyrese, plum great type shit. Mary or Emery. Put it great too. Put her right here. I think that's a good placement for her. Ashanti. Damn, what Keisha call that? I would have put her like elite tier too. But Ashanti, she could probably would have been greater if she did if Murray did fuck her over type shit. But like she had a good career like in the early 2000s, so for elite, but like not high type shit like next to like Brandy. I mean, she's still a good singer too to this day. Damn, that's Joe. But great. All right, I don't know. I think I know who this nigga is, but I keep forgetting his name. I mean their name. Let me see something. I see this nigga too. This nigga, but I forgot his name too. Oh, that's Drew. That's Drew Hell. About to say, I know that shit look familiar, but I'm say don't know because I don't even not even familiar with Drew Hell like that. I don't know who this nigga. Let me see actually who this nigga is because I don't know any other niggas. think that's nah. I thought that was Kiana Lede, but it's not. That's not her. The nigga kind of look like a Mac Miller. Yeah, I don't know any of these other niggas. I'm not even familiar with them. I think I've seen her before, but I forgot her name. But let me see Walker Fix right now. Honestly, I think it looks good the way it is. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, not fuck that. I'm gonna put Lauren Hill like here because it makes no sense for Lauren Hill to be greater than me and the Weeknd to be greater than Lauren Hill. Actually, not fuck that. Alright, man, that's the list. I know niggas gonna hear on this shit, but bro, I think it looks good the way it is, especially the first pick. But like I said, gotta separate the art from the artist. And in turn, and R. Kelly just one of those people that a fucked up person, but maybe that had good art.